All right, so my planet that I chose to compare to Earth is Mars, and I believe I did that because of the fact that Mars is said to at one point have had water, or appears to have had water because it has um, river like terrain, like where there could have been water. And honestly, the scientists have talked about how Mars is similar to Earth. I also believe that Mars is similar to Earth because it has a moon versus like Venus does not. Um, if we compare the diameters of Earth and Mars, Mars is about half the size in diameter of Earth. So in that way, in that sense, it's not exactly the same. So I don't think there would be as many people that would be able to live there. But I think it has other qualities that are comparable, such as the density. The density is a little bit lower, so you don't get as many gases. But I believe that in a way that could be a good thing. I think as a society we'd have to live a healthier lifestyle, but that's just that. Um, the mass of Mars is not exactly comparable. It's quite minimal. I think that's because it's further away from the sun, and also because it's further away. I know that the average day there is about twice as long. Um, its orbital period, or how long the days are, us on Earth have 365 days in a year, where on Mars they have about 700, a little bit under. I think it's like 680, 690 days. So that's also different. And it's also very cold there. So we would all need a lot of like jackets and such to stay warm. But its distance from the sun, it's cold because its distance from the sun is about time and a half further than the Earth is. Um, its gravity isn't quite as strong as we have on Earth, but it's definitely better or more comparable than what Venus or Mercury would be, simply because of the fact that they have such little gravitational pull. And I also believe those aren't very comparable just because of how hot they are. I think if somebody were to actually stand on Venus or Mercury, they would just burn up and turn into a bunch of ashes really quick.